Hi guys, let's get right to the ways you can sign a document on iPhone or iPad. We'll go over a couple different methods and you can choose what works best for you. I'll include a PDF of today's information in the YouTube description box. You can download it if you would find it helpful. Go ahead and open your PDF, whether you have that in your email as an attachment or you saved it to files. Navigate to your PDF. I'm going to open mine from my email. Then you're going to tap on the PDF so that you can get some options. We're going to tap on the Markup tool, which is right at the bottom of the screen, looks like a pencil. Then tap on the plus, and then tap Add Signature. There's a line here that you can write your signature, but let's turn it to the side so you have a little bit more room to write. Now use your finger to draw your signature and then tap Done. Now turn your phone back the other way and move the signature to the signature line. You may need to resize it if you tap on one of the corners. Each of the corners has a dot when you tap on the image. If you grab one of those dots, you can make it bigger or smaller. You can also make your page bigger or smaller by just dragging out or in with your two fingers. When it's in the place you want, just tap Done, and then you'll have the option to either send it back in the email, you can start a new email, or you can save it. I'm just going to go ahead and send this one. So that was the first way, using the Markup tool. Now we're going to look at using the Form Autofill tool. The steps are basically the same. I'll open it from my email, tap on the attachment. Now you have the Markup tool, and next to that there's a Autofill tool. We're going to tap on that and then tap the plus. Tap Add Signature, and you'll see the signature you already used is there. Just tap on the signature if that's what you want to use. Resize it and put it in the right place. Make the page bigger if you need to by dragging with two fingers. Grab a corner of the image if you need to make it bigger or smaller. And when you're done, just tap Done. Then you have the choice to either send it or save it. I'm going to save this one to the Files app. Now let's look at another way. The first thing we need to do is download the Adobe Acrobat Reader app. It's a free app to use. You don't have to pay a subscription, although they will ask you to. Using a paid version will just give you some extra features. So go to the App Store and download the Adobe Acrobat Reader app. So once you have that downloaded, we'll go back to our PDF, and this time you'll see you have a new option, Open in Acrobat. Go ahead and tap on that, and then tap Fill and Sign at the bottom of the page. And then we're going to tap the Pen tool. Tap Add Signature, turn your phone sideways, go ahead and draw your signature, and then tap Done. Turn your phone back. Now just tap on the page where you want the signature to go. You have the option to change the color of the ink, black, red, or blue. I'll make this one blue. Use two fingers to enlarge the size of the page if you need to. Resize the signature, and when you're done, tap Done. Now we'll look at using Acrobat with your real signature. So the first thing we're going to do, you need to write your real signature on a sheet of white paper. Then use your phone camera to take a picture of that signature, and then we'll crop it down to show just the signature. After taking the photo, tap the Edit tool, to open the editing options, and then we're going to tap on the crop tool. You can see the crop tool on the screen. Tap that, and then drag the box in around the signature until there's very, very little white space showing. You want just your signature to be showing in the image. When you've got it as tight as you can, tap done. Now let's go back to our PDF. This time I'll show you on an iPad. Tap the PDF to open it, then tap Open in Acrobat. And then we're going to tap on the pen tool. Now instead of tapping Draw this time, we're going to tap Image. And then navigate to the image of your signature and tap on that and tap Done. And tap Done again. Now tap where you need the signature to go. Move it or resize it if you need to. Now in this form, let's also add the date. You'll often have to do that. So we're going to tap the capital T and then tap in the field where the date needs to go. Type in the date and then tap Done. I'll show you adding the image one more time on the iPhone. So tap the PDF, tap Open in Acrobat, tap the Fill in Sign tool, tap Add Signature, turn your phone landscape, and then tap Image, and then choose the signature. You can crop it right here if you need to, and then tap Done, and tap Done again. Tap on the screen where you need the signature to go. Make it bigger if you need to. Resize it and move it to the right spot, and then tap Done. If you want to add the date, tap on the A and then tap on the date field and then type in the date and then tap Done. You can use any one of those methods, Markup, Autofill, or use Acrobat and an image. Any one of those methods will work, and it does save your signature for the next time. I hope this was helpful whether you're signing your taxes or other important papers. Leave me a comment if there's something you're struggling with on iPhone. Thanks for watching. See you next time.